Manitoba Chicken tonight, always a pleasure here on Great Tastes of Manitoba. I don't know if this would be considered rude, probably, but what I really want to do is I just want to do this. That looks incredible. And this was one of the 3 salads that we made tonight here on Great Tastes, and we're going to run them down for you in just a second here with Gina Sunderland. But first, before we do that, we want to introduce you to the Wiebe family. This is a 3rd generation Manitoba chicken farming family. Check it out.
Having family to share the good times, to share the work, to talk about values in life is just a great thing to be able to participate in. Top priority is always family. We've been fortunate to see our kids growing up with those family values as well. We have just been blessed. My name is Jake Wiebe. I'm farming here with my wife Lorraine and our family, our daughter and son-in-law and their kids, as well as our son and daughter-in-law and their kids. And I, in fact, was born on this site, and so I'm a 2nd-generation farmer at this location. We grow broiler chickens from day-old chick stage through to market weight.
Farming to me has always been in my blood. That's been since young on that I've been tagging along with my dad to the barn and around the yard. I've been very interested in it since a young age. I'm proud of the way my family has developed this piece of land into the farm that it is today. My grandfather started it in 1952 with just a 40-acre plot, and through research and hard work developed it into a thriving chicken farm that my dad bought from him, and now I'm able to farm alongside with him.
I think there's been some stability that's come into agriculture. It's not as boom and bust as it has sometimes been. We're able to enter in, and our kids are able to enter in. They're able to make a living and at least enjoy the usual things. They could take their kids to sporting events and play hockey, play baseball. They can take vacations, and things are like any other Canadian family.
Technology has helped you. We can detach from the barn at times and still be able to monitor on our smartphones, and that has helped. We can be out on the yard with the kids and still be connected. This chart shows our water consumption versus
We know that the 3 things the animals need in the barn is air, feed, water. Air, feed, water, it's really a simple thing. Sounds very simple, but if you manage those 3 well, they grow well, they perform well. So keeping them comfortable, and that's probably one of the big significant differences from the old days. We did not know that there were those kind of tools available, and maybe they weren't even available, and just having that option is absolutely huge.
Today's consumer is increasingly more aware of the farm gate, and they are curious about what's happening inside the barn. And we need to be able to say to them, we are following some very strict guidelines. Here's the paperwork to prove it, and here is your high quality chicken that we've produced.
When our kids were growing up, we did a lot of things together here as well, and so they enjoyed the work. They remembered the work as the good times. They're just trying to emulate the same thing for their families, and we're just enjoying watching this cycle repeat itself. And it's been a good journey.
So it really is as much about the family as it is about the farming. And so we're going to be meeting all kinds of different families this season on Great Tastes of Manitoba, and we're really proud to have that as part of our 31st season. So Gina Sunderland here from Manitoba Chicken, of course, and registered dietitian. We know that your recipes are always going to be filled with nutrients, and then you've got that amazing chicken and all the different flavors, and it's always a delight to see what you bring. And so let's walk through the 3 recipes that we did here again tonight.
All right, so our first delicious recipe was our chicken and lentil salad. a delicious combination of cubed roast chicken breast and lentils, crunchy walnuts, a lovely apple cider vinaigrette that brings it all together. So just a delicious combination of flavors with that salad. Our second recipe was our chicken with rotini, tomatoes, and feta.
Am I allowed to say this is my favorite one? I think
Uh-huh.
just based on how
Sure.
it looks, I'm going to try them all, but yes.
Yeah, it's a hearty pasta salad. It's delicious warm, and then it makes a fantastic leftover the next day served cold. It's got balsamic, of course our cubed chicken again. It's got other Mediterranean flavors like our olives and feta cheese.
Feta.
And I just
Yeah.
love it. It's a great combination.
It's a beauty.
And then our third recipe is a nice light salad. It's our chicken, melon, and avocado salad, and it's got a delightful citrus vinaigrette with fresh lime and fresh orange juice and mint and cilantro, so it all comes together beautifully.
You can try these recipes, of course, if you see something tonight or you saw something tonight that you really loved. Curiosity is piqued. Of course, you can find these recipes anytime on the website, greattastesmb.ca. What a joy to be here again, spending Saturday night with you, and we're going to be back next week. Hope you'll join us again here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
Great Tastes of Manitoba. Great Taste is sponsored by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture and Resource Development through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership. GreatTastesMB.ca. Local farms, local foods. Promotional consideration is provided by the Winnipeg Free Press. Filmed on location at Supper Central in Kenaston Commons. Des Daniels wardrobe provided in part by Loca Boutique. Great Taste is produced by Frank Digital.